Happy morning to everyone present here. With the blessings of our beloved
compares with this competitor. The analysis. Inventory management also helps in training stock levels and helps in managing restocking, whether the existing stock is getting completed, and improves more operational activity. Known things like customer support, all the customer queries are being addressed, providing 24 cross 7 support. Can we move on to the next slide? So, understanding how artificial intelligence works is little crucial for its potential, and it relies on several key components and processes. Here are the few components we are going to discuss about machine learning, and there are three types of machine learning as well: the supervised learning, the unsupervised learning, the reinforcement learning, the deep learning, and NLP, computer vision, robotics. Machine learning is actually the subset of AI. Mainly, it focuses on developing algorithms, allow computers to learn, make decisions based on the data which we provide. Going forward with supervised learning, this supervised learning, the algorithm leans from labeled training data, the raw data. Labeled training, I am referring to the raw data that has been assigned with labels to provide the exact meaning for the training the machine and learning models to make decisions. Unsupervised learning. So, in unsupervised learning, the algorithm identifies unlabeled data, which is actually the data is not tagged or labeled with any category or any target. It contains only raw information. Reinforcement learning. Here, it learns through the interaction with its environment and receives feedback as a rewards or any in case of any discrepancies, penalties. Deep learning. So this machine learning is inspired by the structure and function of a human brain. It uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to analyze various data factors. Going forward with the sixth point, NLP. NLP focuses on interaction between computers and human language, which we discussed initially. It enables machines to understand and generate human language. Computer vision. Here, the computers gain high level understanding from the digital images or videos we provide, allowing the machines to understand and identify process objects like human vision. Robotics, again, it deals with the design, the construction, operation, combining all the artificial intelligence algorithms with physical machines to perform tasks in the real world. This is the AI workflow. Can we move forward with the other slide, please? Here, this represents the schematic sketch about the artificial intelligence, which we discussed now. Go forward for the next slide. So, the role of artificial intelligence in gaming. The use of this artificial intelligence to create game characters, dynamic environments, and personalized player experiences based on the gaming requirement. So, AI in gaming is used to create game characters They are capable of responding to the player's actions, and it can use to be create believable characters that can interact with player, generate new experiences. So it's also transforming the gaming industry in numerous ways, from enhancing gameplay to make experiences more immersive. The tool called Ludo AI's Idea Pathfinder tool guides you how to design choices, presenting options, market insights, and even letting us to add our own custom ideas for gaming development. It also structures and kickstarts your gaming development. On the other hand, classic example you can take like PUBG. Battlegrounds will be powered by small language models, use of generative AI. Testing, in terms of testing, AI assists with identifying bugs, optimizing performance, saves time, improving your gaming quality, and also in some games we can able to see adaptive storytelling, allowing the game narration to evolve based on your player choices. So it enhances both the development and the gameplay experience as well. I hope GTA Grand Theft Auto 6 will feature the advanced AI for its enhancement in future. How artificial intelligence is used in gaming. So there are few key concepts we are going to discuss about how AI is used in gaming environment. The first point is about intelligent non-playable characters behavior. So this AI is making more responsive and realistic for the non-player characters, the characters which is running behind the screen, not the playable characters. So these type of NPCs can make decisions and interact with players in a very realistic and a dynamic way. So AI allows NPCs to adapt, learn their behavior based on the customization and based on the player actions, making the gameplay more engaging and more challenging. Procedural content generation. See here, the AI algorithms can automatically create game elements like levels, maps, characters, and also ever changing, dynamic, and more gaming experiences and environments as well. Adaptive difficulty and gameplay. Here, the player performance and adjust the difficulty levels accordingly. The AI can analyze the challenging but not experiences. Here, AI can personalize the game experience by mechanics based on the player's preferences. Dynamic game adaptation. AI can create virtual reality games where environments and non playable character behaviors can adjust based on the player's action. This level of adaptation enhances more and more engagement. Enhanced graphics and realism. Here, AI can generate realistic textures, environments, characters, enhancing the visuality quality of games, and also it creates hyper realistic game assets ever entire game worlds. So other AI applications in gaming include NLP, which we discussed earlier, the game analytics, where the player has to identify data, bugs, optimizes performance, and improves overall gaming experience. AI in sports, it can analyze player data, again, provide a real time coaching environment. making the environment more comfortable for the players. In terms of testing, again, it identifies bugs and optimizes performance. Can we move on to the next slide, please? What is the present condition in gaming industry for AI? Adding unprecedented realism, unlocking developer skills, smarter games, improving the gaming experience as a whole, cheating prevention, and more intelligent mobile games. Firstly, we are going to discuss about unprecedented realism. Can you please move forward with the next slide? See the slide. So here, the user experience more realistic games. This is made possible with the help of AI that is powered by virtual reality and 3D visualization. Activities and even predict their moves. What would be their next move? Unlocking role of AI in the gaming development requires exact right skills, particularly in creating the realism. So, with the help of the reinforcement learning, this is already becoming slowly possible. We can take examples like programs like AlphaGo, where the game developers are improving themselves stage by stage in this regard. Smarter games. Smarter games is another way for developers in AI, is a technique where voice intelligence transforms the way games are played. These techniques are used by developers to design and recognize, allow game characters to learn from their actions and for the better improvement. Improving the gamer experience. So, not only optimize scenarios, but also here the graphics can be enhanced interactively, the visual experience, and the actual game mechanics. Going with the degrees of more immersive gameplay. Cheating prevention. Cheating prevention for AI, we can take the games like again PUBG as an example. So in video games, they will be able to encounter cheating by detecting strange behavior and effective verifications. We can use AI for cheating prevention as well. More intelligent mobile games. So AI in gaming industry also spans with mobile games. Developers are using AI algorithm to make their creations more smarter and handle more power limitations. They also unlocked better visual appearance and overall intelligence in terms of gaming mobile games. So AI, the role of AI in mobile app development is fundamentally a positive change in the industry till now. Then we move forward with the next slide. How AI is applied in the gaming industry now. Again, enhanced in-game voice interactions, empowering game developers, next-gen game consoles with AI assistance, character creation, streaming labor costs. Coming to the first topic, enhanced game voice interactions. This provides more realistic and initiative experience for all the players playing the game. So here the players will be able to control various aspects and elements of the game using their voice. So this is used only limited joysticks in the past. In future, we don't know what will. Empowering game developers. So with the help of AI, the developers will be able to come up with more designs, thoughtful gaming designs, which paves the way of innovative gameplay mechanics, dynamic worlds, and procedural content marked by rich and more creative ideas. This will take the next phase of AI, taking it to the next level. Third point, next gen game consoles with AI assistants. These assistants found in gaming consoles are improving overall gaming experience and personalized recommendations as the player plays. They actually provide real time assistance and very interactive experience, activating gestures, voice commands, completely a new experience for all the gamers. Character creation, it is not just kind of average character creation that may have came up with the gamer's mind. Thinking more realistic 3D characters with unique appearances, dialogues, the behavior of the game, all cutting the time it takes them more from the scratch. Labor costs. One of the undeniable is the labor cost. Can we move forward for the next slide? AI in mobile apps and gaming consoles in various key aspects, namely optimizing the overall development process, automating repetitive tasks, and handling visual and audio data more, resulting in efficiency and cost savings. Can we move forward to the next slide, please? On the whole, these developments call to the mind of artificial intelligence in the video games is well known for its complexity. We can safely say that these applications, all the applications above we discussed about artificial intelligence in game playing are thankfully in the phase beginning. So that is the end of role of gaming in AI. We shall move forward with a role of artificial intelligence in virtual reality. Role of AI in virtual reality. Virtual. Virtual is something created by the computer technology appearing to exist, but it is not existing in the physical world. AI in virtual reality for the game players simulate real life virtual world reality. So this has become a transformative force in the field of virtual reality, revolution how experiences are created, managed and interacted with AI, enhancing new experience, content creation, powers with virtual avatars and in simulations of gaming experience. We can move forward with the next slide. So I think the previous one. Previous one, not this one. Back. Okay. So virtual reality is nothing but images are created by a computer that appears to surround the person looking at them and seem almost real. Visualizing we are experienced, but that was one which is physically doesn't exist. Yes, we can go forward to the next slide. Here we are going to discuss about enhancing the user experience. First one is about personalization. Personalization, here AI can analyze the user behavior to tailor the virtual reality experiences. So this could adjust the difficulty of challenges and modifying environment to suit users' interest and gives personalized feedback and guidance about the experience. Coming forward with the natural interaction through NLP, computer vision, AI enables more initiative and natural interactions within the virtual reality. So here the users can interact with virtual objects and characters using voice commands, even eye movements, creating more seamless experience. Real-time adaptation, AI can dynamically adjust the virtual reality environments based on the real-time user inputs. For instance, AI can modify this environmental conditions, I mean the weather conditions, whether it's a day or night, based on the gamer's experience, change the levels to maintain an engagement. AI in virtual reality content creation. So here the role of AI is to simplify and accelerates the content creation process. Procedural generation. So AI techniques in terms of procedural generation automate creation of complex virtual environments. So this allows the development of expansive and varied worlds without requiring any extensive manual design. It is automated. Content optimization. AI tools makes use and analyze VR content for its performance and quality. They can automatically adjust the graphical settings, smooth ensuring smooth interactions between the players, enhance textures, more polished and enjoyable experiences. Automated design. This design where the creators suggest design elements, generating assets, and even providing creative ideas based on their input or getting information from the existing data they have. Can we move forward with the next slide? Artificial intelligence driven virtual avatars. So, virtual avatars in VR benefit AI in several ways, mostly enhancing the user interaction again with the reality. Here, we are going to discuss about the behavior modeling, customizability, and emotional intelligence. AI models avatars with realistic behavior and responsible make interactions with virtual characters feel like more engaging. The avatars can exhibit complex emotional responses and adapt their behavior based on the user's interaction and engage with dynamic conversations again between the players. Customizability, here the users can able to create and customize avatar as per their expectation with greater ease. Machine learning algorithm can also assist them in generating personalized avatar based on user preferences, including appearances and accessories. Emotional intelligence. AI systems equip avatars with emotional intelligence as well. They can recognize and respond to users' emotions, allowing them to create more meaningful and empathetic interactions. Coming for our next topic, advanced virtual reality simulations with artificial intelligence. Here, advanced VR, the role virtual reality extends to enhancing the realism of virtual reality simulations. Advanced simulations. It can create and adapt the user's skill level and progress. For example, in training scenarios, AI can even modify difficulty of task and provide a very tailored and a positive feedback and simulate various conditions based on the user's performance. Realistic scenarios can model dynamic as well as complex environments, including realistic behaviors of virtual agents, environmental changes, and again, interactions. These make simulations more accurate and valuable for applications such as flight training, medical procedures, and even some sort of a disaster response. Predictive analysis. Predictive analytics, where the data to predict outcomes, AI techniques analyze and optimize scenarios, providing training effectiveness. So, here by learning the historical data pattern, AI can offer insights and recommendations for enhancing experiences. Can we move with the next slide, please? Role of AI in virtual reality gaming. Again, AI gaming by introducing more sophisticated and gameplay experiences immersively. Intelligent non-playable characters. So here the non-playable characters with advanced behaviors, decision-making capabilities, and learning algorithm. AI enhances with all the above. NPCs can also adapt to the player strategies. It can create dynamic change as we discussed on the earlier point and provides more engaging gaming experience. Dynamic content generation.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable information.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Hemanand, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.